Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video. We saw in the last video that we could pass an argument to a function. We can also pass more than one argument, so I'm going to add another parameter to our hi function, and this parameter I'm going to call TOD for time of day. And when we call the functions, we're going to pass it both values. I'm going to change our prompt and say hi in the person's name, good, and then the TOD or time of day to print out. And when we call the functions, we pass it the appropriate argument. So I've got morning. Let's do afternoon. And evening. And I probably should have those in lowercase, morning, afternoon, and evening. So let's go ahead and fix that. And now if we run this program, you can see it says, hi Bill, good morning. Hi Mary, good afternoon. Hi Kathy, good evening. So here we can see we can pass more than one parameter. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.